a 30-year-old train reaches the end of the line, not on the railway, but in what can only be described as a railway crematorium. The rolling stock is being scrapped because it contains asbestos beneath its outer steel skin. To deal with this safely, the entire coach is fed into a furnace heated to 1,100 degrees centigrade. Around 300 rail vehicles a year come to this fiery end at a cost of roughly £1,000 per coach to dispose of. As the process begins, the asbestos residue is carefully skimmed off and taken away to licensed disposal sites where it is buried safely. After around 3 hours, the wreckage emerges. 36 tons went in. Only 16 tons come out. The steel shell is then cooled and washed from the inside. The flames have done their work. All combustible materials have been destroyed, leaving nothing but twisted, blackened metal. There has been a boom in the railway carriage disposal business at this scrapyard crematorium. By the end of the year, all rolling stock contaminated with blue asbestos must be removed from service, and incineration has proven to be the most efficient way to meet that deadline, allowing the maximum number of coaches to be processed in the limited time available. This particular coach has passed through temperatures of 1,100 degrees centigrade, a testament to the strength of its construction. Even after such intense heat, the steel frame remains, stripped of everything else and ready for recycling. Between 1955 and 1960, British Rail built just over 4,000 new rail vehicles for expanding post-war services. Nearly half of them have now been withdrawn and are ending their days in places like this. There is a certain sadness in watching these coaches disappear. Many spent decades in service, carrying millions of passengers. But they have reached the end of their working lives. British Rail now requires new rolling stock, and this is the final chapter for the old generation. Although asbestos was once widely used, it remained safely sealed within the vehicle structure throughout its service life. Only at this stage does careful handling become necessary to prevent any risk of contamination. Modern rolling stock is now built completely asbestos-free. Finally comes the crusher, an inelegant last journey for another railway coach. The steel is crunched into small fragments, ready to be recycled and reborn as new trains, cars, and even washing machines. If you've enjoyed this look at the hidden end of the railway journey, please give the video a like, share it with fellow railway enthusiasts, and subscribe to the channel for more stories from Britain's railway past.